There's a storm moving in across that state line again. Just about the time gonna fill my pillowcase up again. If you don't know nothing about me, know that I'm a tree-cutting man. I wasn't always a singer. Grew up in a small town back when there was no one to care about my name. And deep down in my blood, know that I'm a tree-cutting man. There's a long line of us swinging that song to get that pay. For what it's worth, my back still hurts to this day. It may not suit you, I've done the best I can. Deep down in my blood, know that I'm a tree-cutting man. I just about lost my life on a rainy September night. Saw came back and cut me bad as hell. So my buddy made the drive, doing over 95. Blue light pulled us over, took him straight to jail. It was the end of the line for this tree-cutting man. There's a long line of us swinging that song to get that pay. For what it's worth, my back still hurts to this day. It may not suit you, I've done the best I can. Deep down in my blood, know that I'm just a tree-cutting man. And if you listen to the wind at night, the trees will play a song so right. That's about how I became the man I am today. There's still a long line of us swinging that song to get that pay. Back still hurts to this day. It may not suit you, I've done the best I can. Deep down in my blood, I am a chainsaw running. Keep the beer coming. Just a tree-cutting man. What the hell y'all listening to, man? Get to work, son.